So I'm walking around my apartment complex, miking on some wiffle balls with my golf clubs, and I found like a little berry. And I'm like, I'm gonna tee this berry off into the street. And anyway, I couldn't find a good spot to do that. I ended up just screwing up the berry. But in the process, I look around the corner over here, and OMG, what do I see? But the coolest things you could ever hit with a golf club? Mushrooms. Alright, so hence this video is exploding mushroom heads. Dun dun dun.